Specifications of a capacitor. When we are discussing about the specifications of resistor, we discussed resistance value, tolerance, power rating. These three factors are affecting the specifications, means they are affecting the resistance value in some manner. When we go to the shopkeeper and if we ask the resistance, we mention the resistance value and we mention the tolerance and we mention the wattage, power rating. Similarly, when we go to the shopkeeper, we ask, give me the capacitance value, capacitor. Then the shopkeeper says, what is the value of capacitor you want? Whether you want nanofarads range or whether you want microfarad range. No, give me capacitor. Then he asks again, tell me the value of the capacitor. Then if we mention, I need some 1 microfarad capacitor or I need some 100 microfarad capacitor, then he will take the polarized electrolytic capacitor that he will give to you that capacitor. And if you are interested in knowing the tolerance, so capacitance value is always indicated in the farads. What is the unit for capacitance? Farad. So first specification is the value of the capacitance. And the second one is tolerance. Tolerance means if I mention the capacitance value is 10 microfarad. What is the value of the capacitance? But when I connect in my circuit, this may not give the 10 microfarad capacitance. It may give some 9.9 microfarad or it may give this variation of the capacitance from the indicated value is called as tolerance. How much variation this capacitor is showing, that will be represented by using this tolerance. For the resistor, to indicate this tolerance, we used color bands. Here in the capacitor, to indicate the tolerance, we use letters C, D, E, J, K, L, M, N, Z. C is indicating that in this capacitor, there might be changes in the range of plus or minus 0.25 picofarads. Similarly, D is indicating that in this capacitor, if I write 10 microfarads, and D. Actually, we do not use these values for the electrolytic capacitors. There is no need to use because they have the much space, they can indicate the tolerance. We use these letters particularly, specially in the ceramic capacitors. So, I will represent the ceramic capacitor. Now, example, some 473C. It is indicating that 47 nanofarad capacitor and the value may be changing in the range of plus or minus 0.25 picofarad. If I use the 473D, then the capacitance may change plus or minus 0.5 picofarads or plus or minus 1 picofarads. From G onwards, we are indicating with the percentage. Example, when I use J, it is indicating that there might be changes in this capacitor when you connect in the circuit. The changes is in the range of plus or minus 5%. Okay, this is the tolerance. And what is voltage rating? What is power rating? The maximum current a resistor can withstand without destroying. Similarly, voltage rating means the maximum voltage a capacitor can withstand without destroying. What is this temperature coefficient? How much value of the capacitance is being affected with the temperature? Sir, with the temperature, the capacitance value is being affected? Yes, obviously. Sir, how, sir, the temperature value will be affected with respect to the temperature? Because we are using metal and insulators. You already know how the metal resistance and insulator resistance changes with the temperature. So this temperature has the capability to change the capacitance value. How much temperature is affecting how much capacitance can be known by the temperature coefficient of capacitance. There we used temperature coefficient of resistance, that is alpha naught. Similarly, we are using the temperature coefficient of capacitance. Here it is indicating the change in the capacitance value with respect to the change in temperature. And the last specification is a dielectric constant. We will discuss about this dielectric constant. The maximum dielectric strength, dielectric constant we will discuss, but it is indicating what is the material you are using as a dielectric. That will also affect the capacitance value. If we take the ceramic dielectric, then it will give the low amount of capacitance values, and if we take the electrolytic dielectric, then it will give the high capacitance values. Okay.